good, YouTube? It's your boy Q the Influencer, man. We back at it with another one, baby. So today's mission, as we know, it is Tuesday. Those Cristiano Ronaldo, AirMax 97s came out today. Sneakers handed your boy a great big bowl of Leos. You know what I'm saying? We took all L's this morning on the sneakers app. Not surprised. It happens. So we gonna try to do the residual thing, man. House of Hoops in my city, they definitely got them. I'm gonna try to see if we can go ahead and pick up a pair of those, because you already know your boy is Red Shoe Gang, period. You know what I'm saying? So me and my boy Hendrix, we on our way up there, man, to see if we can kind of catch him on on the back end on the residual game. Now this is a little bit low key of a mall, man. North, if anybody that's from Chicago, about North Riverside, man. This mall pretty low key. You got the black, suburb people out here that really don't be sweating sneakers like that, man. So I'm feeling good about the chances, but this is a pretty hot shoe, man. So we definitely gonna see what it's looking like, man. So we on our way out there. We'll be right back at it. See when we get that gang. You Flu Gang TV. You already know I'm rocking. We in the building. We on our way to House of Hoops, man. Riverside Mall. The goal is we hoping ain't no line out here. We want to be first. Gonna be first. Feel all types of good about our chances. So far, I'm looking at it, I don't see nobody in line, so we might be Gucci, baby. Might be Gucci. Let's get it.
Dude, man, my boy just came through, picked up his things, man, live and direct. These things are gorgeous, man. Got the different lace tips. We gon' different lace. Got the extra laces on them things, man. Jesus Christ. Ain't the swooshes different on the inside?
Yeah.
Oh,
gold
wow.
on the outside and then green on the inside.
Green on the inside, man. These things are fire, YouTube. We hoping to secure a pair of these, man. My favorite part is the patent leather, touch on the side panels, man. These are definitely dope. We gotta have these. So, hey, man. Hopefully we got the luck going in our favor. Gang.
So YouTube, they say we outside of House of Hoops. They say 6 o'clock, baby. 6 o'clock. I don't know. My man told me it ain't looking too good. I got 113 back there. But we gonna see what time it is. Hopefully we can come. If I can't come away with my size, we can come away with a pair, maybe do a swap, something like that. I feel good about the chance of getting at least a pair. Yeah.
Actually taking people's shoes though.
Taking people's shoes off?
I heard, what's that brickyard, the store in Brickyard? I heard an Asian kid put his shoes down. They ran up and took his shoe, bro.
Wow.
Like literally took the dude's shoe. They was taking, that's what I heard. Like they was taking people's shoes.
Walking around with that goofy white van, man. You cannot come to other people's cities like acting a fool, man. The New York cats, man. Come on, we gotta do better, man. It's just sneakers.
We gotta do better, man.
Just sneakers.
We gotta come together, man.
Yeah, like I know there's the grind and the hustle and everything. That's cool, But just play fair and that's it.
Hey, facts.
So we're in the final closing moments. You know what I'm saying? Things about, what time is it? It's about 5:08. I mean, we got about just over 50 minutes left. My bad. Yeah, that means we got just about 50 minutes or so before the residuals are released to the public, So the man came out and said they got 5 pairs left. Boy Q the Flu, we 3rd in line. I don't know, YouTube. What you think my chances are? Got 50 minutes to go. 5 pair left. I'm third in line, man. We shall see if we come out victorious with the dub, baby. Let's get it.
We cooked out here. We definitely blessed my boy over there. You know what I'm saying? It's all good.
I ain't cooked, but we gonna talk about that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, YouTube. As you can see here, we do have the AirMax 97 Cristiano Ronaldo. These are not my size. These are men's size 7. I was not able to secure my size, unfortunately, but such is the life of the size 13 boat gang. You already know. My boy Hendrick was able to secure this pair right here, man. So you already know how we do it here at Food Gang TV. I'm gonna give y'all, a few thoughts, things I think you should know about the sneaker, man. Let's get it. So first off, we got Nike Air Max 97 CR7. University Red Metallic Gold. It's the color code AQ0655600. And these did retail for $170. That's CR7, Cristiano Ronaldo, and 7 is his number. And these were inspired, by, when he would be out there getting it in on the soccer field or football field, as they call it in Europe. You know what I'm saying? He would get holes in his shoes, and his play shoes. His mama bought them too. You know what I'm saying? His mama would then have to go ahead and sew them up. We all know, when you're younger, it's, kids, we are expensive. So, your mama definitely got to make the most of what she got. And that is how she kept my man doing what he had to do on the football or soccer field, baby. So that is the box, regular standard Nike Lab, Nike, box. You know what I'm saying? Black box. You already know what that look like, man. Now for the kicks, man. As you can see, we got that red 3M going around these things, man. Absolutely beautiful. We got the different, kind of stitch, patchwork style upper going around the sides underneath the 3M hits. We got mixtures of snakeskin, python leather. We got that patent leather going around the toe box. And then we got just standard, like, tumbled leather, going in patches around there, man. You got your standard, you do have your standard Nike swoosh. It's gold on the outside, and the inside of these things, we got the green. And these are all symbolic of all of Portugal's colors in terms of the flag, man. So I thought that was a really cool detail. Another cool detail about this shoe is that if you can see there, hold on, let me make sure I can focus that in for you. You can see there we have Cristiano Ronaldo's signature kind of in the inside of the inside of your footbed there. You got that gold swoosh, and then we got a green and a gold lace degrees. And then Nike is even so generous to give you 2 extra sets of laces, both in the gold and the green, man. Very, very simple, man. These are definitely be Air Max 97 Grill for me, as we all know. Red shoes are kind of my thing, man. So I'll definitely be looking to find a size 13 these later. But StockX prices are absolutely ridiculous. And we will not be, falling victim to the hype of that. I don't want to leave without letting y'all, see that CR7 that's on the back. You know what I'm saying? For Cristiano Ronaldo, that is 3M reflective, man. Very, very dope shoes, man. Very, very dope shoes, man. I'll be happy to add these to the collection soon enough, man. But that's it. Let me know what y'all think in that comment box.
YouTube, it was a semi-successful day. I do wish I could have got my size, but it ain't work out too well for the kid, man. But we were able to kind of bless one of the guys with a pair, man. And that's what this sneaker stuff is all about. Karma. You gotta have karma in it. So I may have taken the L today, but one of the homies out there, he caught a W today. He went home satisfied. You know what I'm saying? That's all that matters. You know what I'm saying? But as if for me, thank you. Your boy finally hit 100 subscribers. I will be doing a giveaway. I know we had a few stipulations, you know, on, you know, the Supreme giveaway when I hit that 100 subscribers, but we're gonna amend that because I'm just so proud and happy that you guys are rocking with your boy, and we're gonna keep this thing growing. So in my next video, I will be announcing details for the Supreme giveaway. You know, so stay in tune with that. We're gonna be doing that, man. Thank you for the support. We're gonna keep this thing going, man. It's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. You already know how we rocking. Hold on, I got you. Gang.